At sunrise, the harvest begins. Next, the fruits arrive at the factory. Delivery trucks rapidly unload them into massive bins, beginning the journey to sweet pink juice. Let's check this grapefruit's color and sugar. Good color. Now for the bricks reading. Perfect. That's orchard ready. Bringing in the first crate now. Conveyor is clear and ready. Okay, tilting the crate. Fruit is rolling in. Looks good. Keep it steady on the belt.
This one has a soft spot.
Agreed. It doesn't meet the standard.
Line is clear. Premium fruit confirmed.
This one's bruised inside. Out it goes.
Got it. Checking this one for mold?
Good. Keep the line clean.
Will do. Next batch looks better. All right, applying the sample now. Initiating measurement. The reading is stabilizing. Brix level is 11.2%. Well within spec.
Inside the mixing control tank, ingredients are precisely blended to adjust the acidity. The control panel monitors the pH levels in real time, ensuring flavor consistency. The separation mechanism efficiently divides the peel from the pulp. The peels are then sent to the byproduct channel system. Finally, the peels are diverted to the waste conveyor. Inside the clarifier, high-speed spinning separates fine pulp and solids from the juice. The result is a clear, high-quality juice, ready for the next step. The juice passes through a stainless steel mesh, removing seeds and large pulp. This ensures a smooth, high-quality final product. The clean juice flows on to the next stage. In the pasteurization heating phase, the juice rapidly heats to 70 degrees Celsius. This eliminates harmful microorganisms while preserving the juice's quality. The process is efficient and ensures safety. After pasteurization, the sweet pink juice enters the rapid cooling stage. As it flows through these cooling plates, the temperature drops rapidly. The gauges show the juice stabilizing at a lower temperature. This step preserves the juice's fresh quality. The juice now enters the homogenizer, where high pressure forces it through fine valves. This action breaks down particles, creating a smooth, uniform consistency. Pressure gauges confirm the process is operating within optimal parameters.
Scene 28, deaeration. In the vacuum deaerator, oxygen is removed from the juice. This preserves flavor and extends shelf life.
Scene 28, deaeration. In the vacuum deaerator, oxygen is removed from the juice. This preserves flavor and extends shelf life. The bottles proceed to the labeling stage, where wraparound labels are automatically applied. The machine precisely aligns each label branded look for every bottle of sweet pink juice. At the coating station, an inkjet printer precisely stamps each bottle with the production date and lot number. This ensures every bottle is traceable, maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety.
Alignment check. This one looks a bit off.
Got it. Adjusting now.
Good. Now check the fill level.
Levels are good. All clear.
In the refrigerated warehouse, pallets of fresh pink grapefruit are stored to preserve their quality before juicing. The forklift operator carefully places each pallet into cold storage ventral for maintaining the fruit's freshness. In the on-site facility, processing water is treated. First, filtration tanks remove suspended solids. Then, sedimentation basins allow particles to settle. The water is now clear and ready for reuse.
Let's log batch 47.
Scanning now.
Perfect. Updating the system.
Confirmed. All good.
Inlet pressure is stable at 40 psi. Outlet at 38 psi, differential is 2 psi. Perfect clarity. Flow is optimal, ready for storage. Opening valve for batch sample collection. Sample secured, container is filling to the 200 milliliter mark. Sample is clear and ready for the lab. Incubating these sweet pink juice samples now for the 24-hour microbiological safety check. The samples are set, we'll review the results tomorrow. At the Brix level measurement stage, we use a digital refractometer to confirm the sugar concentration in the sweet pink juice. The reading stabilizes at 10.5 Brix, confirming the juice has reached optimal sweetness. At the lab station, the juice's acidity is checked. The probe is immersed and the meter confirms the pH. A reading of 3.42 indicates the juice is properly balanced for the next stage.
Sweetness is at 7.5, very balanced. Acidity is perfect at 3.2. Overall, a solid 8.
Let's check the wrap tension. Pulling it now, it's holding firm. Good tension. This pallet is stable for transport.
In the packaging quality lab, a compression machine tests the cartons. Pressure is applied slowly, verifying the packaging's durability. This ensures the cartons survive shipping without damage.
Okay, finalizing the dispatch records for the pink grapefruit juice shipment. Status updated to shipped. Generating the final documents now. All right, let's check the temp. Looks good, 34 degrees, stable.
Okay, shipment PGJ 4667. Reviewing the digital clearance now. All passed, while pasteurizing release. Confirmed, shipment released.
Starting with the citrus extractor blades. Blades look good, no nicks or buildup. Now for the pumps, checking pressure next. Here at the Clean in Place control panel, we monitor the cleaning cycle. The system confirms parameters like temperature and pressure are correct. The cycle completes and hygiene compliance is verified. This ensures product safety.
Let's review our daily output, scene 75. The graph shows a steady rise, reaching 450,000 liters. That's up 15% from last week. Efficiency is at its peak.
Batch 76 for sweet pink juice, all tests passed, authorizing the final signature. There we go, approved. This is the on-site treatment facility ensuring environmental compliance. The filtration tanks process water through multiple stages. Here, the water is aerated to remove impurities. The system monitors pH and flow for quality.